I will not overpay for that.
Wait, is
We
this
went
the
this
right
far
map?
'cause I went too deep.
I thought
Yeah,
we
they
wanted
wanted Blizz. They wanted Blizz.
Oh.
What do you want, George?
I want Anna.
And then
Let's
Wow, this isn't fair. We have a duo and oh wait, they're all solo.
PogChamp.
Yeah, but they have a gold border. That means they win.
I'll run Sombra here if you want.
No.
No, we should practice. All right, I'll play McCree.
Wait, no, I wasn't saying that to you.
Let's do let's do
What's going on?
let's do Orisa Hog here.
what do you want for a second heals? George.
Yeah, what's up?
Second heals. Second heals. What do you want?
Lucio. Actually, why don't we run? No, actually, Orisa Hog is fine.
Am I going back or no?
No,
You want a Lucio on it? Okay.
Yeah.
I changed my colorblind settings so the
Come on, guys.
enemy thing is pink.
Ooh.
I'm giving it all I've got.
I'm giving it all.
Does it help with aim at all?
I think it helps with seeing like their borders.
Yeah.
Like the new colorblind settings in the test server, the PTR are super good.
Oh, are they not live yet?
No, they're not.
okay.
That's what I was looking for.
Where are we
I can't
holding?
wait until that comes out.
By the rock.
No,
Or up
we're gonna hold
here.
We're gonna hold here, and then when we have to pull back, we pull back to right here. Okay.
To where?
Up to where? Sorry.
Right to the edge of the.
Okay.
Oh, wait, but not
right
drop?
to the edge of the point.
Oh, do
No, we do
okay.
drop.
Okay. I thought you said just to move back like 2 feet.
They're going
think
bottom
they-
right.
Didn't they
They're
keep
going
running
right.
cuts here?
Yeah, they're going bottom right. They're there.
Yeah, they're running cuts. Break the shield. Big anti.
They're going to point.
Knock his one,
He's
knock his
on side of
one.
Meg.
Barriers down. Push down. Push the point. Sorry, no personal.
Nice pull. Let's go. Get the Lucio. Get the Lucio.
Guaranteed.
There's one.
Left outside.
Lucio.
This is one.
Anna.
one.
Have the Lucio. Nice.
Nice. Alright.
Is there Hanzo dead? Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah,
Do we
Go
reset
back up
up?
top.
I hit him with a flick headshot. Yeah.
Nice.
I need heals also.
Okay.
Remembering how to play the game. I don't need that Mamba anymore, dude. I'm
Sorry,
good.
John. These halts have been pretty bad. I'm not
it's
really
okay.
allowed to do anything for you.
That was a good hook on that Ryan, John.
Thank you.
Yeah, shield's gonna break.
I'm about to have dragons, so if they push right side, I can just.
Break that barrier.
They're going right.
Or Lucio's anti.
I'm gonna halt.
Sorry, no personal.
I have dragon.
Yeah, zone him.
I'm gonna zone him.
Zone forward.
Yeah, I am. Zoning him onto the point.
Diva's half. I'm pinned.
Ryan's way in the back.
You're
Get
good.
this Zarya. Get this Zarya. Zarya.
Oh, she's still alive.
Team kill.
Thank you for keeping me alive.
I didn't know if you had E or not.
Yeah, that was impressive.
Alright, I've got
Did you have E?
I
killed
did, but
that.
I was. Yeah, I had it, but I was on like 4.
Oh, okay.
If they'd hit me right as I used it,
They're going bottom right.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So
have.
the instant
I'll
was
have
I'm
high
gonna
noon
save
here.
halt until they push forward, okay?
I have high noon, so I'll just try and stay up here.
Just gotta break the ship.
Did you guys know you could stand here?
They're just
They're
they're waiting
waiting.
to get sharp barrier charged. And he's wasting. Big anti.
Oh, she ate it.
Tiny
They're going
anti.
to point again.
Just go.
They're gonna have
Oh
shadow.
my god, I thought maybe she would see it.
Diva 1.
Is that one? Or the one?
I have dragon. I'm multi-one.
down.
Diva.
Nice. Good zone.
Zarya.
Big Annie.
Sorry one.
Anna. Focus is
Oh,
Anna.
no,
Focus is
no,
Anna.
no way.
Anna is the focus.
Should I switch to Reaper?
Anna's one.
Nice job.
I switch to
Yeah.
Reaper just in case. Okay. Well,
I missed.
should I say Reaper? I can go teleport back.
No, you're fine.
I'll rest when fighting is done.
Oh, this is my jam.
Alright, we're coming, guys. You
I
don't
see
have heals.
them now.
You don't have heals.
No barrier for 3 seconds. After I put the next one down, I'm gonna halt up. Alright, Jen
Hanzo's
ready?
higher.
No one else.
I can't be on Orisa here anymore. I'm swapping over to Ryan.
Yeah. Just die, John.
Oh my god.
Do you want a Moira instead then for the Ryan or stay Lucio?
I'm hiding. I'm hiding.
Lucio, Lucio.
I'm hiding. I have high noon to block.
I'm gonna pick up John. I'm gonna pick up John.
You guys can you guys contest this? Can you guys contest?
Yeah.
I have high
Yeah, yeah.
noon. Back.
Watch out for hammer.
He nano.
Nice pin, nice pin, nice pin, nice pin. Go, go, go.
Right
Anna's
side.
Anna's in the back. Anna's in the back.
Anna's
Anna,
dead.
Anna,
Never mind.
Anna.
No.
I nanoed.
Zarya, Zarya. Get pop that diva.
The diva.
Nice. Oh.
Oh no, so close.
Oh, watch
Oh,
the scene.
wait, careful, careful,
Oh,
Get out of
yeah,
there.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
I'm sitting on it.
Where should we set up? Oh, okay.
We can take
Can I
high
go up
ground.
high ground here?
I mean, we can all take up high there.
Oh, it won't let me climb.
They see me. They see me. Go away, Nox. I was trying to have.
They're all high, they're all high, they're all high.
Good speed, good speed.
Do they have
They're gonna
shatter?
win barrier where they have shatter.
Probably.
Watch
I
it.
booped them off, I booped them off, I booped them off. Shadow's gone, Shadow's gone. They're behind, they're behind, they're behind.
Half.
Right side. Right side. Right side.
Good sleep, good
I need
sleep.
heals in the back.
Coming.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Diva can die, Diva. Pop the Diva, nice job. I have beat, do you want it?
No.
Okay,
No.
I'm gonna die.
No beat. Get out.
They're pushing.
Careful,
They're pushing. Okay. Oh,
Oh,
is this? Oh, okay. Oh shoot.
I'm very late.
So
spawn.
remember what I told you, right?
What?
Remember what I
More
told you?
than that to keep
I wasn't too far out there.
No, I know.
Was
I'm
I?
just- I'm no, you're not. Nice
Okay.
break.
Hey, Zarya and Ryan are really pushed up here.
Alright, we can't take an early fight here.
I gotta rebuild barrier. But we can start pushing. We're giving up too much
Let me
space.
know when you want beat, George. Let me know when you want beat.
Curtis, I'm gonna bubble you.
I have dragon.
I'm inside.
I'm zoning them forwards.
Nice.
Nice.
Cancel Lucio's ult.
Right her low.
Help her Ryan, help her Ryan.
Is that Hanzo in the back? Hanzo in the back. Turn around.
Peel.
Where?
Where? Oh, right there.
He can die. He can die.
Where's he?
Oh my god. Hit the head. Alright, I shot it
I'm
ready.
setting up for high noon. I'm setting up for high noon on the left side.
Alright.
Alright,
Far,
elbow before
far
you.
left.
Far left.
Hang with you and speed you.
Good. Your music's so loud. Don't fade. Don't swap.
I'll give you Sonic.
Oh my god!
Oh, huge.
Zarya's one.
What?
Ryan. Nah, he's
Get
healed,
out-
he's healed.
I just lagged. What? Question mark.
That was strange. That's okay. That's
Okay,
basically.
I like to.
Okay. Did you left, Cam? To your left.
I'm not interested.
Right side.
Cam here. They're gonna have grab. Try and play a
let's see.
little
We're
bit.
gonna have shatter
closer.
too.
Try
I have beat for it, but that's not gonna do anything, right?
That's big. That's big.
Nice.
Ryan's
Ryan's one.
Hondo. Focus is Hondo.
He was
Steven
right.
back
He
in the
was
back.
behind.
I think she got out.
Yeah, she did.
Yeah, I have dragon for next fight.
Sure, please.
I'm resetting. High
Big. The way that we survived that.
How much
really,
healing
yeah.
does
Intelligent.
Lucio's
beat?
boost do with
Yeah, does that do
nade?
anything?
With nade, how much does it do?
I think it was enough to stop.
No, yeah,
dragons.
you didn't take any damage.
But I didn't do it right away. I did it halfway through dragons.
noon. Half. Watch it.
Oh,
I'm zoning. Oh, I was too close. He was in the back. He was in the back.
Slap, Diva, slap.
He was out of back.
Leave her.
Oh, that should not. Care. Back up.
Focus main. Front lane.
Yep. They beat.
I'll have high noon.
I bet.
Behind you. I'm zoning.
Focus that. Ana.
We should back up.
Yep.
And Jake's
John,
buried.
back up. John, back up.
Come back. I'm.
Yeah, no.
I have dragon again.
We're gonna need it.
I'm one. Woo.
Oh, I need heals.
Yeah.
I'm zoning on the point.
Zarya. Nice job. Diva.
Ryan in the back. Turn around.
We can win still. Just kill the Ryan.
Ryan.
Ryan one.
He was out of mech.
Ana. Focus Ana.
Big.
will reveal the truth.
Oh, Ana's one.
Here, hang on.
I'm close to beat. Baby diva, baby diva.
Run.
He's gonna heal him. Oh, big.
Focus Lucio, focus Lucio.
I'm on him.
Lucio.
I got
Hi, Dragon.
pinned? What? I was in front of the cart.
Lucio.
I got the Ana, I got the
Lucio half.
Oh,
Lucio
no.
one. Lucio one.
I got Lucio.
You gotta get on point. We gotta get on point. Point.
I was in front of the cart and I got pinned. It sucked me in, dude.
Unlucky.
Piss
Okay,
fixed.
we should not have lost that last fight at all. We were ahead and what happened there? I don't know.
Well, we're all recording.
I'm not recording. No, I am.
Oh, okay.
I wanna run. Let's run dive here. We should not have lost that point. That should have been a wipe. Very easy wipe. Curtis
That was
hit
well
a
fun.
massive shatter, and it should have been a kill. It should have been a. Should have.
What
John,
combo
you took a
last
little too long to back out in the beginning, and you
Yeah.
got Annied.
Yeah.
And I wasn't there to speed you.
So
I was
like,
dead.
so when in doubt, back up. That's like if you're not sure if you need to back out or not, then you need to back out. that's essentially all I can say here because like we
What
should
do
have
you,
been not that far up
Mhm.
a lot of the time.
What do you want for healing comp?
I'm
Lucio?
Yeah.
You want to sombra it or?
And if you get into
Uh,
trouble, I'll bail you out.
I want to edgy this.
Yeah, anyone want to play Hearthstone? Let's find a little board. It's gotta be on the floor somewhere. I don't see it. It's gone.
There's one right here. Oh,
Where?
for me at least.
We can't be losing
Oh,
fights
it's not
like
there
that.
for me.
That's the
I must
kind of
have-
fights that we need to win because those are the kind of fights that equal Tesla wins.
Okay.
Where are we going? Where are we pushing?
Yeah, where are we pushing?
We're gonna push top right. We're gonna push top right, and then we're gonna dive from there. Are they top right? Yeah, they are.
They have a Sonic.
They have a hog too.
have a hog.
Hog diva.
They're running triple tank.
I can't
Let us
dive
know.
that.
Are we going top right or
No,
no?
just go to point. Go to point.
Hook down.
Hook down.
Let's get this Hanzo.
We're 65 to blade.
Big Annie. Oh, Rissa one.
Orisa. Lucio. Pop the diva. Nice job. Baby diva. Good
I got
anti. That was crazy.
I want to push.
that was a
here.
massive
I want
anti.
to get aggressive. Yeah, they're really fucking good anti.
Do I go with you?
They,
No,
they
stay,
switched
stay,
to
I'll stay.
they switched their comp
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, they have a
They-
Zen Tracer. Careful, Ken.
I want to wait for Nano.
Yo, did you guys realize that you're pushing like a crown in this thing? I never actually looked.
Oh, we have. Okay. Nice. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
I'm
Yeah.
ready.
Okay, let's go.
Tracer behind.
Tracer's low.
Tracer no recall. Left side.
Tracer's low.
She's one.
I got her.
Nice job.
Big follow-up shot.
Yes, sir.
Are we staying up?
Yeah, I'll stay on cart. Go ahead.
I have dragon.
Go. I'll keep you here.
If they start
Maybe
contesting
not.
the card at the last point.
Ryan's going left
Point,
side.
I'll just
Run the
drag on
back.
it.
They're going to run
They're
back.
going left. Yeah.
Monkey
I'm
slap.
discorded.
Nice sleep.
Should I dragon on? Ah, no. He was there.
Waking him up now.
Both their heals.
Monkey no jump.
Top.
Monkey, no
They're
jump.
top. They're top.
Zen low.
One's on one.
Nice.
Ana alone. Left side. John, turn around. Ana behind you.
Monkey low.
Never
Nice.
mind. Nice job, Curtis. Get this diva. Focus diva.
Yep.
Tracer no recall.
Tracer.
She's on
Nice
me.
job. Tracer, help cam. Nice job, guys. Get that Genji.
Oh.
They got late spawn.
I got late spawn too. I'm coming back. There's so much to wall
Nice.
ride on this map. Alright, go ahead. I'll stay on point. So I guess for this comp, we don't need 3 on cart, right? Like literally, I stay on cart.
Yeah, D.Va's gonna be up here.
Gold objective time, boys.
I'm watching the back. They're not gonna be
Gonna
pushing.
D.Va, I'm out of here.
Oh fuck me! I didn't think they were. She got so much damage off.
Are we backing up? What's happening?
Yeah,
we
back up, back up, back up.
We should back up.
Alright,
back
I
up.
have beat for the next
DM,
fight.
DM out, DM out. If one of us goes down and we're gonna take a fight, don't take it. Can we
I
go?
have
Can we
beat.
get that Zen? Can we dive that Zen? Because that's gonna.
Do you want me? Do you want me to beat and then you dive the Zen? That way you don't get melted,
No,
or
just we all
or
just
no?
dive the Zen.
Okay,
Curtis
ready?
initiates and you follow him. I can't see Curtis. Can't see. Can't see.
Down, yeah.
Zen.
All right, after.
After that, nanoblade. After that, nanoblade.
I'm reloading. I'm ready.
Go ahead, now.
That's one.
Zen one.
I need help on the left.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Winston ulted.
Focus.
Tracer's on
Tracer's on
cam.
point.
Tracer. There we
one,
go.
nice.
She's down.
Hey, Winston.
Monkey.
He's low, he's low.
Nice
Nice.
job.
I have dragon still.
Alright, and I beat for the last
I
fight.
bomb.
I got cart. You guys can push up.
They're gonna have blades soon.
Zen left
Oh
side.
my goodness, nice. Ana's gonna.
I'm the dragon here.
Nice.
I just kept turn card. Watch it.
Oh, what?
Okay,
Oh, well, we got it.
Alright, good stuff. Alright, that was better Genji play there, I think. 3 minutes.
You need to get 1 point, right? Like 1 cap,
You wanna
Yep.
1 tick.
play
Are we
it
finishing it?
out- Play it out or
Yeah, I say play it out.
Yeah.
Just as if it were real.
I'm gonna ask because it's up to them.
That's true.
Cheers, love. I can't wait to get on some rides. Which one first?
So can we start thinking about stuff that they need to improve on here? Because I promised Noct that we would do the thing that we used to do with Star Nation, or Star Nation would do with us.
Is it a critique that they get anti too easily?
Yes.
They said new map.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay.
So it is.
Give me like
Horizon
give me like 1
Colony.
minute.
Okay. I think the big problem is they continually get staggered really hard. Like they stagger way too much than like sometimes it's not possible because like the Zen will get late spawn and he'll die from that. But just like I've noticed that there's a lot of staggering that happens sometimes.
Mhm.
And it seems like part of like half of the team is diving a target, and the other half of the team is not. It's kind of like our old team.
Nox doing a lot to communicate, and I can tell.
Yeah.
In particular with those D.Va bomb shatter combo. They did that like 4.
That was good.